And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
With highs mainly in the lower half of the 40s today, December started out on a mild note, and it's going to stay that way into the middle part of next week, and then we're going to see some major changes, upper 30s to lower 40s through Tuesday. And then much colder weather is going to start pushing in from the North Pole. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that are hanging out in the 30s, ranging from 31 degrees in Antigo to 39 in Sturgeon Bay and Green Bay, where it's cloudy and where we've had a couple of showers over the last several hours. We have westerly winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour in downtown Appleton. You can see that College Avenue is wet, thanks to those showers that have been moving through. Mainly rain showers, but once again, it is cold enough that a couple of wet snowflakes could mix in from time to time. This activity will be coming to an end as we head deeper into the evening. It's being produced by that same area of low pressure that's been controlling our weather now for 5 days. Behind it, we have temperatures that are still above normal for this time of year. It is December 1st, but you know what? December started right where November left off, and December 1st is the first day of meteorological winter here in the Northern Hemisphere. So as far as weather records are concerned, winter has started, and once again we had a mild start to winter right where fall left off. It's going into the record books as the second warmest fall on record, with temperatures running almost 7 degrees above normal for the season, and it was actually our warmest fall since last fall. That's right. You remember that? Last fall was also the second warmest fall on record, but now it drops to position number 3. So what are we expecting for this upcoming winter? Well, as far as the National Weather Service, or NOAA, is concerned, we have a greater than equal chance of having a cold and snowy winter here in northeast Wisconsin. According to the Old Farmer's Almanac, we will have a cold and snowy winter. Seasonal forecasting is tricky at best. Of course, Mother Nature will have the final say. Over the last 5 winters, we've had a wintry mix. Last year was much above normal. A couple of years ago, we had our second coldest winter on record, and then 5 winters ago, we had our second warmest winter on record. Now, winter is coming. Much colder weather is going to push in, probably starting Wednesday going into Thursday. That'll move in behind a cold front. The big question right now is, will an area of low pressure develop along that cold front and produce accumulating snow across northeast Wisconsin? Of course, we'll be fine-tuning the forecast as we get a little bit closer. Now, as far as the calendar is concerned, the winter solstice is on December 21st. That's when astronomical winter arrives. So your forecast for tonight calls for those lingering showers to come to an end. We'll see mostly cloudy skies with lows near 30. Tomorrow, clouds mixing with some sunshine. Highs will be in the 30s to around 40 degrees. We can expect more of the same on Saturday. Then a weak system will move through on Sunday, producing some light snow or a wintry mix. Some minor accumulations are possible. Could make it interesting for the game at Lambeau. 40 degrees on Monday, and then the weather gets a lot more interesting Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's when this change is going to take place. We'll have to watch the potential for maybe some accumulating snow, and more importantly, a big shot of cold air as we head towards next weekend.
All right, we're going to brace for that, but I think a lot of people are ready to get out and do some skiing, maybe some snowmobiling. We obviously need a lot of snow for that.
So many fun things to do when there's a decent amount of snow on the ground.
Yeah, all right, and it's in the forecast, at least a little bit.